Hello sellers, hope you all are doing well. So, in this video, I will show you how to set up profiles in the Etsy integration app by SetCommerce. But before we start with profiling, let's have a brief about the same. Profiling is basically a collection of certain conditions that you apply in it. For example, the marketplace category, the shipping details, and other attributes. The details you provided in the profile will be sent with the product when published on Etsy. To create a new profile, click on the Add New Profile button at the top right corner of the page. To add the products to your profile, you'll have to assign conditions. The conditions you apply here will be used to filter products from your Shopify store that matches with all these conditions. You can choose between two given options. The products can either match with any of the assigned conditions or it must match with all of them. Choose the appropriate product characteristics from the drop-down. Next, in the Exist in drop-down, you can choose the appropriate option and enter the text that your product detail contains. Now you can add more conditions in a similar manner. Click on the View Result button and you will see how many products belong to the applied rule. Now coming on the Templates section. Templates contains predefined rule that you set for your products. You can create various templates for different group of products. Now you can see the app allows you to set 4 types of template: category, shipping, inventory, and price templates. You can select from the drop-down if you have already created the template. If not, click on the Create Template button. Let's see how each template is created. Category template details will help in getting your products to map with the correct marketplace category and other attributes on the Etsy marketplace. For category mapping, there are 2 things you can do. Either type in the related term in the search box and find the right category, or you can manually select categories. Next step, attribute mapping. These attributes help Etsy to know your product better. Choose the right options for the 3 main attributes shown here. Coming to variation mapping if you have product variants. Here, you can map Shopify attributes with Etsy to list them on Etsy Marketplace. Variant mapping is required to list all the variants from Shopify to Etsy successfully. In the next section, you can link photos for your variation. However, this is an optional field, so we can leave it for the moment. Next is the recommended attributes section. Enabling it will allow you to add more specific attributes to your product, which in turn will increase its visibility. So, you can add values for recipients, occasion, style, and material here. Lastly, assign a name and save this template. Remember, this feature allows us to apply these details to hundreds of products at once. Without it, you'll be doing the same thing each and every time you add a new product. Moving on to shipping template. Shipping template will help you set shipping charges for your products. If you are selling internationally, it will allow you to set different charges for different locations as well. You can enable the weight option if you want the template to be assigned to product falling in a specific weight range. If not, leave it like that. Next, under the shipping info, from the shipping origin drop-down, choose the location you are shipping from. Fill in the details for how many days you take to ship the order under minimum and maximum processing days. Under the standard shipping section, select a destination country. Then, select charges for that location and you can offer free shipping or set a fixed charge. If you choose to set a fixed charge, you will have to set an appropriate cost for a single item in the first column. Then, under additional items, enter the cost you want to charge and that should be lesser than one item cost. Now, you can add another location if you want to charge differently for other locations, and that too will be done in the same fashion. When you are done, assign a name to the template and save. Please note that the next two templates, that is inventory and price, are not mandatory for profiles. In case you want to add specific inventory rules or price rules, you can go with these options, else you can leave it as it is. After you're done with templates, set a name for the profile and click on Save button, and that's it. You are done creating a profile on the Etsy Marketplace integration app. Furthermore, you can edit or delete a profile anytime you want. We hope we have covered all the important aspects of the profiling features in this video. In case of any doubts, let us know in comment section below or simply contact us. Happy selling to you!